In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page on Shopify that displays a list of collections, or even a collection within a collection. This process involves navigating through your Shopify admin, possibly tweaking your theme, and using navigation menus efficiently. Let's dive into it. To get started, we'll first create a page to list all your collections. Head over to your Shopify admin, then navigate to Content and select Menu. Here, you'll want to add a new menu item. Click on Add Menu Item, and it will prompt you to provide a name for this menu item. Let's call it All Collections, a straightforward and descriptive choice. Next, click the link box and select Collections, then All Collections. Finally, save your menu. This simple action adds a link to your main menu that will display all collections, giving your customers easy access to everything you offer. Now, let's create a page for specific collections, or essentially a collection within a collection. I recommend duplicating your theme before making any coding changes. This extra step will protect your existing setup from errors. Once your duplicate theme is ready, go to the Theme Customizer by heading to Online Store, then Themes, and Customize. In this space, create a new page template. You can duplicate an existing template if you find it easier. Then, add a collection list section to your newly crafted template, allowing you to manually select the collections you wish to display. Now create a new post and select the new template you crafted. Set this up in your navigation menu as well, just as we did earlier. If you're feeling confident and want to further customize the collection list, you can delve into the theme code. This step is optional, but it can provide more advanced customization options. To explore code snippets that might fit your needs, GitHub is a great resource where community-contributed solutions await. Remember to use your duplicated theme for any code-related experiments, ensuring that you have a fallback should anything go awry. While working through these steps, keep a few key considerations in mind. The handle is crucial when you're setting menu items. This unique identifier links the menu item with the correct page. Decide whether you want to manually select collections or use automated collections, which are organized based on product tags. The aesthetic and layout of your collection pages can significantly vary based on your theme, so be sure to explore its full potential. Lastly, although Shopify doesn't inherently use sub-collections, you can simulate a nested structure by creatively linking collections within your navigation menu. By following these comprehensive steps, you pave the way to both a general list of all your collections and specific pages displaying collections within collections in your Shopify store. Don't forget to save your changes and thoroughly test your navigation to ensure everything works smoothly, providing an intuitive shopping experience for your customers.